Hey everyone, and welcome back to Truehost Academy. Today we're diving into the world of WordPress and how to edit your website like a pro, whether you're a complete beginner or just need a refresher. This video will guide you through the basics. First, log into your WordPress admin panel. You can do this by navigating to yourdomain.com/wp-admin and entering your username and password. Once you're in, you'll see the WordPress dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub for managing your website. Here you'll find options to edit your pages, posts, media, and much more. Let's start with the basics, pages and posts. Pages are static content like About Us or Contact Us, while posts are dynamic content like blog articles or news updates. To edit a page, go to Pages on the left menu. Click All Pages to see a list of your existing pages. Find the page you want to edit and click Edit. This will open the page editor. If you're using the block editor, you can click on any block to make changes. You can add new blocks using the plus icon and rearrange them by dragging and dropping. Here you can add text, change fonts, insert images, and even embed videos. You'll see options for formatting text, adding headings, and even creating lists. You can customize each block's settings in the right sidebar. Make sure to preview your changes by clicking the preview button to see how it looks on your site before hitting update. Once you're happy with your edits, click update to save your changes. To edit a post, you just use the same steps as editing pages. Go to the Post section on the left sidebar. Find the post you want to edit and click on its title or the edit link below it. Use the editor to modify the content, add media, or adjust settings as needed. Click the Update button to save your changes. Editing the menu on a WordPress website involves a few straightforward steps. Go to the Menu section. In the WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance Menus. This will open the menu editor. Select the menu to edit. If you have multiple menus, choose the one you want to edit from the drop-down list at the top of the page. Click Select to load the menu. To add items, use the panels on the left side. You can add pages, posts, custom links, or categories. Check the items you want to add and click Add to Menu. To remove items, click the down arrow next to the menu item you wish to remove and then click Remove. To edit item details, click the down arrow next to the item you want to edit, modify the label or other settings, and click Save Menu. Drag and drop the menu items to rearrange their order. You can also create sub-menus by dragging items slightly to the right under a parent item. Assign menu locations. Under the menu settings section, usually on the left or right side, assign your menu to a theme location, like primary menu or footer menu. The available locations depend on your theme. Save changes. To tweak the design of your site, go to Appearance and then Themes. Search for the theme you want, then click Install. Once this is done, click Activate. You can customize your theme's look. Click Customize to access the WordPress customizer. Here you can change site identity, menus, widgets, and more. Adjust settings to your preference. For example, you can update your site's title or change your header image. Widgets allow you to add extra features like recent posts or social media links to your sidebar or footer. To add new functionality, go to Plugins and then Add New. You can search for plugins to add contact forms, SEO tools, and more. Once you find a plugin you want, click Install Now, then activate to enable it on your site. Most plugins will have their settings that you can adjust by going to the plugin settings page. Once you've made your edits, simply click Save to preserve them as a draft or Publish to make them live on your website. Your website is now updated with your latest content, and that's it. You're now equipped to make changes to your WordPress website. Remember to regularly update your content and plugins to keep your site fresh and secure. Thanks for watching. For more WordPress tips and tutorials, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell.